Hello everyone, today we're back with another video where today I'm gonna be showcasing the Speaker Man in Toilet Battle again. So M1 is basically the same punching and Q is of course the same rolling, but this time we got another skill which is R. Yeah, a sound wave. Now let's turn music on and let's go! Y'all will see how far this guy can get. Now again we're back with intermission, but this guy doesn't have any skill tree yet. He doesn't. Hopefully they add a skill tree where he has like wait, why am I walking? Where they add like jetpack and knife to this guy. That would be cool, and like HP would increase as well. That would be cool for real. Oh, there we go. It's time to continue. Oh, and by the way, more stuff I'm gonna tell you guys about this game. It's a private server and sandbox is free, so you don't need to buy. You don't need Robux to do sandbox in here. It's free. I'm not gonna test these characters in sandbox. Just so you guys know that I'm actually testing them out in easy mode. Just for you guys to know how far they can actually get. This guy's only 100. Oh, oh, I forgot. This guy's a normal toilet. It's actually a pretty strong one. I'm gonna make a separate video where I do sandbox with all characters that I have. But I don't really have all characters. I only have like a bit. Cause I'm kind of still new here, but I'm still making content for you guys. Don't worry, I'm still gonna try and buy every character. Don't even have a Titan yet. Now, if you can group them up like that, you won't take that much damage. So if you have skills, that's good. You don't need to get close to them and take damage. And by the way, the normal toilet takes 5 punches from every normal character. Bro, can I join? Skibidi, skibidi, skibidi. Oh, is music already done? I forgot to open music or something. There we go. Enjoy the video, guys. And enough yapping, just get to playing. I saw someone here at the corner of my eye. Well, I'm very sorry for lagging, guys. It's literally just my internet. So yeah, if I lag, just keep watching. Oh, there we go. Finally, we have another wave of toilet skill. Wow. Let's go. Okay, tigil mo nga muna. Mamaya ka na. Yeah, guys, I'm lagging, so yeah, I died there, so yeah. You guys can probably get further and further because you guys don't probably have any lag, but yeah, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!